Next, a sector of a circle of radius 12 cm has an angle of 120 degrees. It is rolled up so that the bounding radii are joined together to form a cone. Find the volume of the cone. So here it's like this. You cut a paper in this form, 120 degrees and 12 centimeter and circle. Okay. Then what happens? You roll this, not circle actually. Yeah, it's a circle. What you do then you cut this paper and you join these two edges, this one and this one, and then this cone is formed. Right. Now we have to find the volume of this cone. Okay. Sector is converted to cone. Think of this. What remains the same? This is 12 centimeter slant height. Means this 12 centimeter won't change. It remains the same, right? And circumference of this circle, this sector, now it has become a circle. So that will remain the same, right? Earlier it was circumference of this sector. Now it is joined. So this has become the whole circle at the base. So that will remain the same. So these two things are same, right? So circumference of the sector is what? See this sector, 120 upon 360 into 2 pi r, earlier one, original one, right? So that is 1 upon 3 into 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 12. So solve it, 176 by 7 centimeter. Now this circumference is same for this sector and a cone, right? As we have just discussed. Now for the cone, let's take this same circumference. See this. This was the circumference of the sector. Now the same is for the cone. So for cone it will be what? 176 upon 7 circumference equals to. Now we want only of the base, right? So that is 2 pi r. So this is a new r. So r equals to what? Just go on solving, cancel, and you will get r equals to 4, because 22 into 2 44 and 176 upon 44 is 4. So now what you got? This is the r for the cone, right? This is not the r for this this earlier sector. Okay. This 12 will now become the slant height of this cone. So now what you get? 12 you know, r you know, 4. Now if you draw a triangle, say this triangle, you draw a height from this top of the cone, apex of the cone, to this bottom r. So this will be perpendicular, and this, let's call this as h. So height of the cone, it will follow Pythagoras theorem. So 12 square equals to h square plus r square. So h square will be what? 12 square minus r square. So that's what height of the cone is, root of 12 square minus 4 square, root of 128, root of 64 into 2, 128 is 64 into 2. So height is 8 root 2, right? If root 2 value is given in the exam, you will solve it for root 2. Then volume of cone is what? 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Now this is a formula for cone. So 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 4 square into h is 8 root 2. So equals to, solve this. Once you solve this, 134 into 1.42, root 2 is 1.42. Now this depends whether you have to solve or not on the options given. If the options are directly in root 2, keep it as it is. If they are given in pure numbers, then you will have to solve that. So multiply this 134 into 1.42, you get 189.5 cm cube as the new volume of this new cone. Okay, that is the required answer. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for them. Sync behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll